Hello and good morning students. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, today we are going to talk about past perfect continuous tense. So far we completed present tense, okay, that is all the four parts of present tense. Then we started with past simple tense, followed by past continuous tense, followed by past perfect tense, and today we are going to deal with past perfect continuous tense. So dear students, in past perfect continuous tense, we are going to talk about an action or activity that started at a certain point of time in the past, then it continued, okay, at some time later in the past. Alright, means कोई एक्शन पास्ट में किसी टाइम शुरू हुआ और वो चलता रहा और पास्ट में बाद में किसी सर्टेन मोमेंट तक वो चला, फिर वो पूरा हो गया, रुक गया. Alright, maybe whatever. So we are talking about that actions progress till the certain point of time when it began, till the later point of time in past, till that period, till that phase that continued. Alright, and simply we are talking about an action that started in the past, then it continued for some time, alright, and then it continued at some time later in the past. Alright, and right now we are in present and we are talking about that first point of the past till the second point of the past. During that phase, that worked, that action was happening, taking place. Alright students, got it? So let's start. Past perfect continuous tense, an action started at some time in the past. We are talking about an action that started at some time in the past and was in progress, and that was in progress at some time later in the past. Means see, here it was the past, the action started from here, it continued up to this point. Alright, past, this is also past, and we are here, it is present time. Alright, or you can say now. Alright, so we are talking about such an action that started in the past, then it continued till this point of time in the past, and we are right now here. We are talking about this phase. Is it clear or not? So कोई काम पास में कभी शुरू हुआ, चलता रहा, किसी सर्टेन पॉइंट तक तो वो चला, तो we are talking about this phase. Is it clear? So an action started at some time in the past, ये past में start हुआ, and was in progress, ये उसकी progress रही, at some time later in the past. past में later time ये है बाद वाला, यहाँ तक ये progress में था. So we are talking about this phase from first point of time to the second point of time in the past. Got it? Alright, so let's start. He had been writing a novel since 2017. Here see we have used he had been writing a novel. So here we are using had been plus first form of ing, V1 ing. So he had been writing a novel since 2017. Means he started writing novel in 2017. He may have completed in 2018, 2019 or till 2020 last month, last week. Alright, means वह एक novel लिख रहा था 2017 से. Means now he completed writing that novel. कब से लिख रहा था? 2017 से लिख रहा था. So since 2017 till this moment, that was in progress. Alright, so he had been writing a novel since 2017. So here we have used had, then been and V1 ing. Past perfect tense we use had been V1 ing with all these noun, okay, irrespective of their number. Our noun or subject may be first person, second person, third person, or irrespective of number, singular, plural. With all sort of nouns we use had been and V1 ing, whereas in present perfect continuous tense we have used have been V1 ing or has been V1 ing, but here in past perfect continuous tense we will use had been V1 ing. All right, he had been writing novel since 2019. So 2019 से वो नॉवल लिख रहा था. ओके 2017 में उसने लिखना शुरू किया, यहाँ तक लिख दिया, हम यहाँ पे हैं. ओके दे हैड बीन क्वारलिंग फॉर मंथ्स. क्वारलिंग महीनों से वे लोग झगड़ा कर रहे थे. बट नाउ दे आर क्वारलिंग, देयर डिस्प्यूट इज ओवर. नाउ दे आर नॉट क्वारलिंग एनी मोर. अब लड़ाई नहीं कर रहे, अब नहीं झगड़ रहे हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो दे हैड बीन क्वारलिंग फॉर मंथ्स. कई महीनों से वे झगड़ रहे थे, लड़ रहे थे. सो देयर डिस्प्यूट इज ओवर नाउ और दे आर नो लॉन्गर क्वारलिंग. और अब वो झगड़ा नहीं कर रहे हैं. ऑल राइट, सो देयर क्वारलिंग स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, इट कंटिन्यूड फॉर मंथ्स and then it was over here and now we are here. All right, next, the children had been playing since morning. बच्चे सुबह से खेल रहे थे, अभी नहीं खेल रहे हैं. सुबह हो सकता है 7 बजे से 10 बजे तक खेले, 8 बजे से 11 बजे तक खेले, 1 घंटा खेले होंगे, 2 घंटे खेले होंगे, 3 घंटे. सुबह से खेल रहे थे, सुबह 6 बजे से खेल रहे होंगे. But now they are not playing. Means early in the morning they started playing and they may have played for half an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, but now they are not playing. So they started playing, then they continued playing and they stopped, and now we are here. Means when we observe the children, they had been playing over there. Is it clear? Then we had been living here for 5 years. हम लोग यहाँ पे 5 साल से रह रहे थे. Suppose I have been transferred. Suppose you are living over here, you completed your diploma and now you are living this town, this city. So you can say that I had been living here for 3 years. मैं यहाँ पे 3 साल से रह रहा था और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. Means now you stopped living here. Okay. So before 5 years you started living here and you continued living here for 5 years and now you are living it. Got it? So we had been living here for 5 years. Is it clear? So in past perfect continuous tense we use had been V1 ing. Okay, with all sorts of noun, with all types of noun or subject. Subject हमारा singular हो, plural हो, subject first person हो, second person हो, third person हो, doesn't matter. We will use had been V1 ing. All right. So past perfect continuous tense क्या बताता है? It talks about certain action or activity that started at certain point of time in the past and then it continued. It was in progress and it continued at some time later in the past. All right. And now we are in present and now we are talking about that activity that continued from first point of past to second point of time. Is it clear? Then past perfect continuous tense is used in indirect speech, as you know, and you must have studied during your schooling. Reported speech, direct, indirect. All right. So present perfect continuous tense is converted into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, while changing speech from direct to indirect, provided a reported verb is in past simple tense or is in past tense. All right. So हमारा reported speech में भी indirect speech में भी use past perfect continuous tense. Means our present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Similarly, past continuous tense also converted into past perfect continuous tense provided the reported verb is in past tense. All right. So see student here, in indirect speech present perfect continuous tense, all right, it is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and past continuous tense is also changed into past perfect continuous tense. All right. So see here, he said, this is V2. Here are reported verb is in past tense. He said that he had been playing for 2 hours. कि वह 2 घंटे से खेल रहा था. Okay, here he says that I have been playing for 2 hours. That is present perfect continuous tense. Alright, when it is changed into direct, from direct into indirect, it becomes he said that he had been. Present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Had been playing for 2 hours. Similarly, she says that she said that she was working in the office. She was working in the office. That is the past continuous tense, and past continuous tense is converted into past perfect continuous tense. So she said that she had been working in the office. Alright student, so this is all about past perfect continuous tense. One thing that you must keep in mind, that we are talking about an action or activity that started at a certain point of time in the past and it was in progress, it continued for some time, or it continued for a certain span of time and at a certain point of time later in the past. Alright, so we are talking about that phase. During that phase the work was in progress. Alright, and then in indirect speech also past perfect continuous tense is used. Present perfect continuous tense and past continuous tense are changed into past perfect continuous tense. Alright students, so this was all about past tense. Alright, so let's recap what we have studied so far about past tense. Alright, so let's recap what we studied in past tense. In past tense we started with past simple tense, and as I told you, in past simple tense we use the second form of the verb. Alright, means here we talked about certain action that took place in the past, something that occurred in the past, something took place in the past, something happened in the past, means whatever happened, okay, in the past. So for describing such action we use second form of the verb. Alright, I went to college yesterday. He met with an accident day before yesterday. Alright, so here in this way we use second form of the verb. Similarly in negative sentence, okay, I did not go to college yesterday. मैं कल college नहीं गया था. So did not and first form of the verb. Alright, suppose you say that मैं तो college नहीं गया था. I did not go to college. He did not go to college. We did not go to college. Did not and first form of the verb. Alright, similarly for interrogative sentence, did you go to college? Okay, did you see him? Did you find him? Alright, so interrogative question के लिए ये हमारा did है. Okay, ये helping verb आगे लग जाएगा, and such a way it will frame interrogative sentence. Alright, then we talked about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense में we are talking about certain action that was in progress in past. कोई action जो past में progress में था. Alright, simply. So for that we use was, were and V1 ing. Suppose if I say yesterday at the time I was teaching, कल इस समय में पढ़ा रहा था. Yes, he was going to the market. I saw him, he was going to the market. Alright, so जो कुछ भी हो रहा था पास्ट में, उसके लिए क्या आता है? Past continuous tense was, were, V1 ing. When I went to him, he was watching the match. जब मैं उसके वहाँ गया तो वो तो मैच देख रहा था. When I reached home, my father was reading the newspaper. मैं जब घर पहुँचा तो father तो newspaper पढ़ रहे थे. So father was reading the newspaper. Alright, past continuous tense. Negative के लिए, when I reached home, mother was not cooking food. घर पहुँचा तो माँ खाना नहीं बना रही थी. Okay, my brother was not watching TV. मेरा भाई TV नहीं देख रहा था. Similarly, question के लिए, was he studying when you went there? जब आप वहाँ गए तो क्या वह पढ़ रहा था? Were they not playing there? क्या वे वहाँ पे नहीं खेल रहे थे? Alright, so this is the way. Then past perfect tense. Alright, in past perfect tense I told you that here in past perfect tense we talk about an action that completed, that stopped, or that started in past before another action took place. Means the first action was over when the second action took place. For example, the train had left the station, the class had started. क्लास शुरू हो गई थी, ट्रेन निकल गई थी. कब? When I reached the station. क्लास कब स्टार्ट हो गई थी? When I entered the class or before I entered the class. Alright. So in past perfect tense, I told you that the action that took place first, with that action we use past perfect tense, that is we will use had plus third form of the verb. Whereas second action that takes place later on, we use second form of the verb. Alright. Then Sam had plus third form, negative had not plus verb third form, and with had the interrogative sentence will start. Alright. Had you reached in the class? Okay. Had you informed them? Had you reached college? क्या कॉलेज पहुंच गए थे? मीन्स बेल लगने से पहले या सर के आने से पहले या क्लास शुरू होने से पहले. Had you reached station? ट्रेन आने से पहले क्या स्टेशन पहुंच गए थे क्या? So these are the questions. Then past perfect continuous tense, इसमें आएगा had been V1 ing, नेगेटिव में had not been V1 ing, और इंट्रोगेटिव में वही had आगे आ जाएगा. Had he been, had she been, had they been, had you been, had we been. Alright. So dear student, this was all about past tense. Tomorrow we shall have exercise based on entire past tense. So keep revising the things, keep yourself updating. Alright. So tomorrow we shall have exercise based on past tense. Alright. So do revision, do study. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video. Goodbye.